Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the mesh quality setting in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and then selecting settings. In here select graphics and scroll to the graphics section. In here at the bottom should be mesh quality. Here you can adjust it. You can pick one of the available presets. Currently we have high, there is also medium, low and very low. There is also ultra. And we can go back to high. Pick one of them and after that hit apply. Once you're done, hit close and return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.